All right, guys, we got an awesome product here. This is from Popcorn. This is their rechargeable LED spotlight indoor, and it is a 2-pack. Comes in different versions. So, have you ever seen a spotlight before, sweetheart?
Not really.
No, but we're going to talk about how cool some indoor spotlights are because it is important to have proper lighting.
It looks like in the house.
It is because these are for indoor usage. So that's the cool part about it is they make these awesome lights for indoor usage. So we're going to take a look. You have some cool pieces here, some mounting screws. We got, what are those?
They're cool.
Charge cords, absolutely. Looks like there might be maybe some sticky pads in there. You got an awesome remote. Okay, we got one, and now we've got 2 of the lights, as well as a rechargeable LED user manual. So pretty neat. That's a ton of user manual. I'll tell you what, that is going to be a novel to read. You want to help me open that one? And I got this one. All right.
It feels like there's like circles in them, and then the circles would be in the light, and then the light's gonna pop out from the circles.
Okay, that's cool. This is pretty neat, right? Check this out. So you got this awesome rotatable light here. Let's see if we can turn one on. Ready? Woo! That is cool. So you have different brightness levels. That is cool. What do you think? What if we stuck up one of these lights right here so we can have some sweet lights in the background? What do you think? Should we do that? Oh my goodness, that is bright. This is no joke. I think this is 300 lumens stuck in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights here. That is pretty cool. So we got the amber color and then the bright white. Don't want to stick it in your eyes too much. This is crazy bright here. On the side of it, you do have an on and off button right here, easy to press, pretty cool. And then last but not least, let me get a little bit closer so you can see. This is going to be your charge station right here. Going to be able to charge it. And then right here is going to be your mounting bracket. Now, you can take this off, mount this directly to the wall, and then you're able to slide your light right on it so it is not going to fall. That's super cool. Very, very cool. I'm surprised. It takes a lot of coolness to surprise me with a product. What do you think?
Spin.
Yeah, spin it around all the way, right? That's cool.
It can go like this.
So we got a remote control here. A couple different options on it, on, off, brightness up and down, a white, NW. What's NW? Let's see. We got WW, NW, and CW. That is very bright. I'm not going to lie.
Look.
Well, it would help if we were on the version that I could read. 3
like
colors, warm white, natural white, and cool white. You have a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour timer, and a 24-hour cycle. That is super cool.
Like when you're going to bed and like you're reading a book and the other person's sleeping, you can read with this.
You mean to tell me you could use this as your nightlight?
And you can point it at your books.
Well, you don't even have to. You know what? Because what we can do is we can mount this, hang it up,
like this.
Boom, and then you could just get your book over here. Like, imagine this was my book, and I was reading it, and my light was on. Look at this. I can't read. I can't read because there's no light. That's very hard. Oh my goodness, I can read. Look how convenient that is. Oh, it's in the wrong direction. You know what we could do here? We could rotate it a little bit. We could rotate it. So rotate it.
You don't even need to do anything. If you're not using it, you could do like this. But people are using it, you can do like this. And you can turn it off. When you're not using it, you can turn it off.
That's unbelievable.
And
so many cool features. Anything else you see that's neat with this bad boy? What do you think? No? No, these are pretty awesome. Not gonna lie. Couple colors, 3 different options. You've got to definitely, what do we always say?
Check it out.
Check it out.